Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to hide Hotspot SSID on Realme C67 device. Okay, by hiding the hotspot network, and then hotspot owners can control who can access their network, and then also they can share SSID information only with people they trust or who need access to the network. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can select the network and internet option. Well, and then here will appear the network and internet tools. And then please tap on the hotspot and tethering menu. Okay, after that here you can select Wi-Fi hotspot. And then in this section, you can press hide SSID option here. Okay, and then now the hotspot network on your device is successfully hidden. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide hotspot SSID on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.